Okay, Rebecca and David, I'm going to show you how to use the TestBank. So once you've loaded it onto your computer, you should have an icon that looks like this that says Exam View Test Generator. Now on this particular computer, I don't have the TestBank for the book that I sent you. It's on my computer at home, but I'm still going to be able to show you how to use it. So to start a new test, you can click on Create a New Test using the wizard. And let's say, for example, you're going to do the Week 1 test. So you can call it Week 1 Test. And hit Next. Now here is a book, a medical terminology book. But you're going to see the name of the book, or at least the author of the medical assisting book that we have for this course. So it might say the author's last name, Lind, or it may say clinical medical assisting. So you click on that title and you click open. So then you get a list of all of your chapters. And I know in week 1 there's 2 chapters for the week. So what you can do is you can click on the first chapter, like let's say for example here I was doing a test for chapter 2 and chapter 3. So I click on chapter 2 and then I hit the control button on my keyboard and I can now click on another chapter. So now it's selecting both chapters. So once you get those highlighted, click select. It throws those chapters down here to this window. Click next. So now it tells you that when they combine those 2 tests you get a total of 99 multiple choice questions and 62 matching questions. So when I'm making tests for Blackboard, I try to stay away from the matching because it doesn't always work too well when you transfer it over. So let's say I want to go ahead and take all 99 of those multiple choice. So you type in 99 right here for the number to select. Or maybe I only want to look at 75 of those. So whatever you want to do. And then you click, so you put in the number, then you click next. So it tells me now that the total questions are going to be 99 multiple choice questions, and I click finish. So now it generates the test for you with all of your different questions. Now once you get to the very bottom, I'll go down there real quick, you're going to get your answer key. So it tells you for every question what the answer is. Now as you read through the questions, you can highlight them one at a time by clicking on them. And let's say you don't like that question. Well, down here you can click on delete and you can delete it. So remove this question from the test. Let's say this one you like it, but you want to change the wording a little bit. Let's say we're just going to throw another word here. I'm just kind of playing around with it. So you wanted to add another word to it, or you wanted to change one of the choices. Once you click on that question, I double clicked it. It allows me to edit it. And then I hit record to save it. So I can either click on the question and hit edit, or I can just double click on the question and the edit button comes up. Now if you, let's say you take this test down to from 99 questions to 40 questions, and then you want to add maybe 10 other questions of your own. To make a brand new question, you click on new, you choose what type of question it's going to be, multiple choice, true or false, short answer, something like that. And then you hit click OK. So let's say we're going to do a true and false question. You click OK, click OK again. So you type in your question. Down here you choose your answer to be either true or false, and you click record. And so now down at the bottom there's our newest question that we added. So once you're done with the test and you've got the test the way you want it, just go ahead and click File, save as, and give it a title, maybe week 1 test, and then just save it, in a folder or on your desktop, wherever it is that you want to save it. So then you just click save. Okay, so now if you go out of the TestBank and you want to open up that test later on, you just find it on your desktop or wherever it is, click on it, and it might be a little bit slow, but then it'll bring it up. So there it is again. So then you can go back and make more changes to it. Just always save it if you make any other changes. So once you get the tests like you want them, then I can make you another video to show you how to upload it to Blackboard. Or you can email these files to me and I can upload them to Blackboard. But we'll do that once we get to it. So let me know if you have any questions, all right? Thanks a lot for your help. I really appreciate it. I really am glad that y'all are working on these tests because you're the ones teaching the class, and I don't want you to have any problems because I wrote the test or it's just not the best type of questions. Okay, so thanks a lot.